welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. Just a few passing clouds. Now, we are tracking some showers and thunderstorms. They are still a few hours away from us, and temperatures are pretty warm. Currently at our high for the day of 83. We'll see if we can get any higher than that in the next hour or so. Wind south-southeast around 7 miles per hour, and it's a little humid out there with that dew point of 64 degrees. Here's a look at the temperatures across the region. We are into the lower 80s at Hyannis and at Imperial, but mid-80s as we make our way from Valentine out toward Lexington with a current temperature of 83 at North Platte, Broken Bow, and at Thedford. There's your winds. Still southeasterly. We have not been able to get rid of that southeasterly wind, so we remain warm, and that easterly component is giving us humidity. First, in terms of the humid, it's increasing the humidity, and it's going to give us more moisture in the form of showers and thunderstorms later today. Wind speeds around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So, as for the storms, we do have this very large area of a severe thunderstorm watch that does last until midnight Central Time, 11 p.m. Mountain Time, and it goes all the way to, say, the Lincoln-Custer County border. It does include Valentine, North Platte, Ogallala, points off to the west. Now, here's what it looks like as of right now. We still have a lot of sunshine across the region. It is warm and humid, but as you make your way into portions of western Nebraska, from Chadron now hitting Scottsbluff and just off to the north of Cheyenne, we've got strong to severe thunderstorms now. These will continue to make their way off to the east, and they actually could strengthen. We do have that frontal boundary that's just over us now or just off to our east. Same setup as last week. So we got one low to our north, one low off to our west, and it is basically the clashing of the air masses, of the warm air mass versus the cool air mass behind it. The worst part of our viewing area for severe thunderstorms over the next hour is going to be basically from Ogallala, Imperial, points off to the south along the Colorado border. Enhanced risk of severe weather. It looks like some scattered severe thunderstorms are possible in this area, surrounded by the slight risk that does reach all the way to North Platte. Now, here's what it looks like on the map. We're going to stay sunny until this band continues to make its way out to the east. It's around 7 p.m. Mountain Time, hitting Ogallala, Imperial. Watch out if you live in those areas. Then they move off to the east. This is around 11 p.m. Central Time, and they will start to dissipate. Some heavy rain is still possible, especially as you make your way from North Platte and points off to the south and east. As we go through the day tomorrow, less of a chance of some showers and storms. Still the breezy southerly wind getting us into the low to mid 80s once again. We do have a chance of some storms into our western counties, but we'll see how far east they make it. This model does not say it is going to be very far off to our east. And Thursday should be a mainly dry day as temperatures actually will fall back into the mid to upper 70s across the region. But the chances for showers and storms increase again for Friday and Saturday. We'll put it at 60%, partly to mostly cloudy skies, high of 76 both those days, closer to 80 Sunday into Monday. We'll keep that 30 to 50% chance. And finally, getting drier on Tuesday, partly cloudy, with a high of 78 degrees, so we do stay warm. Kent?
Yeah, we stay warm, but in the upper 70s, so not too terribly warm.
Yeah, upper 70s, close to average for this time of year.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And doctors are keeping a closer eye on a little-known respiratory virus. The CDC reports cases of HMPV spiked 36% higher than average this spring. Medical professionals say HMPV is tricky to diagnose